Hi kids, today we are going to learn a recipe from Kids Chef Junior Everyday Book. This recipe is called Waffle Ball Parfait. Let's see what's the tools you need. Kids safe knife, cutting board, measuring cup and measuring spoon. Ingredients you will need: 1 banana, 4 medium strawberries, half cup plain full fat Greek yogurt, 1 waffle ball, half cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon hulled hemp seeds. Look at the photo. Directions: chop the fruit carefully. Chop the banana and strawberries into bite-sized pieces. Add the yogurt. Spoon the yogurt into the waffle ball. Layer the fruit. Layer the banana, strawberries and blueberries on top. Top with hemp seeds. Sprinkle hemp seed over the fruit and enjoy.